How about we do a little slow, gooey, oozy move and stretch together?
My name is Sahira, and I'm here to teach you the beautiful art of belly dance.
I am using a principle from my free download, if you haven't grabbed it yet, the 12 easy ways to find time for what you love most. I'll give you the link here. I think it's sahirabellydances.com/time. You can download a free guide that tells you ways to make time in your schedule for your belly dance or whatever else it is that you'd like to be doing, reading more, cooking more. Let's take a deep breath up. And then just release it over and down. Take it all the way over into a forward fold. Take a nice deep breath in. Hold it for just a couple of counts at the top. And then exhale really slowly. This nice slow breath tells that lizard brain of yours that you are absolutely safe. All is well. There is no bear coming to eat you. And it's time to dance. Go ahead and bend one knee. Bend the other knee. Then bend both knees and slowly roll it up. Nice round spine. Roll those shoulders back and down and bend your knees a couple times. And let's take a jumping circle. Take it all the way over to your left. Undulate. Just feel that spine. Go ahead and give some arm, shoulder rolls. Interpret the music how you'd like. Take a figure eight, front to back. And back over to the other leg. Let's undulate. Beautiful. Now express with the hand. Slow it down. Take it to a chest circle. And strike your pose. Beautiful. Oh, sometimes it feels good to just move really slowly. Breathe really slowly, right? When you're breathing slowly, this is my favorite way to calm a tumultuous day. Breathe really slowly and tell yourself it's all okay. And then dance a little bit. Y'all are amazing. Thank you so much for joining me here. I will definitely be around. Y'all keep in touch. Send me a note. Let me know how you're doing. Y'all take care. Bye for now.